I'm Dennis, this is Pam, Nashville, Tennessee. I think it was March. Yeah, spring, Daytona. Met Woodlawn Baggers, loved their work. My wife fell in love with some of their designs and decided to let you guys build us a bike. It's been a few months of...
How much of this have you seen so far?
Bits and pieces.
Okay, okay.
Like it?
I love her.
Wow. You guys killed it, man. That's exactly what we were wanting.
So, see, we went in there, took a picture yesterday, tunneled out the bearing, so it actually would sit up in there, in the pocket, instead of it just being flat at the bottom.
Yeah. I've never seen one on a new bike.
Yeah, all on the new ones.
Dennis, what was you think, bud?
I can't quit looking at it. I can't quit looking. It's above and beyond my expectations. But I knew it would. That's why I wanted him to do it. I mean, I've seen a lot of bike builders and talked to a lot of bike builders, but I always told her, nah, we just walked away. I said, I don't like cookie cut. You know, I just don't.
We're actually going to Walmart later to buy some cookie cutters to hand out at this rally.
Okay. Everything's old bikes. I don't, you know, they're all the same. We're all the same.
You definitely got something that's not the same.
So what do you think?
Oh, I love her. She's beautiful.